Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and today we are going to look at Five Below advent calendars that were $5 each. So I have really fun ones today. I cannot wait to check these out with you guys and see what they look like. Before we get into these calendars, if you do like subscription boxes and unboxings like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for today, let's see what a Bluey bath bomb calendar looks like from Five Below. So you can see, this has the $5 sticker. I got these from my local Five Below, and this is a 7-day bath bomb calendar from Bluey. We should get 7 bath bombs in here. And how cute is this? It has Bluey on the front. I don't watch Bluey, so I don't know who the other character is, but it is super cute, and it's got information on the back for safe use. So this, and it has Christmassy stuff all around it. It's so cute. This would be a fun one for the little kids in your life or the people who just like baths like me, because I'm going to use these. And the doors pop out and we'll pop in. It looks like I brought a spoon just to kind of pop these out. When I did the Hello Kitty advent calendar, my fingers were dented by then. So in the effort to save my fingers, we're going to use the spoon. I was checking to see if I hit the wrong door, but that actually is door number 1. Door number 1. They don't come out. They don't come out. I can't tell if it's glued down or what. Oh my gosh, I got it. Okay, it is just jammed in that little hole, but it's a good sized little bath bomb. I thought it was going to be half that size, but it is a cute little one that says it's in the candy cane scent, and it has a candy cane on the front of it. That is super cute. I can't really smell it through the plastic, but that is a cute little candy cane bath bomb. Door number 2 actually has a candy cane on it, but I guess it's not a, I was wrong. That's a candy cane. Door number 2 is another candy cane. You're just going to have to tear these calendars up. Okay, this one is Sugar Cookie, and it does have another candy cane on the front. I don't know if it's going to show. There we go. It has another candy cane on the front of it. Door number 3, and this one is again in order of numbers, which I love, so I'm excited for that. Door number 3 is a green one with a candy cane on the front. Oh, I just realized it says inside the door what the scent is. So this one should be vanilla mint. Very nice. I can't smell it, but vanilla mint and another candy cane top. So far, so cute. Another red candy cane, and this one is going to be Merry Mango. We got a fruity scented one. So this one is Merry Mango scented and another candy cane top. So these are all going to be candy canes, I'm sure, on the top. So that was door number 4. Here's door number 5. And we have another green one. And this one is going to be Minty Ice Cream. That one came out a lot easier. Minty Ice Cream with a green candy cane on top. Door number 6 is right here. I was going to guess we were going to get another white one, and we did. And this one is gingerbread scented. Again, a candy cane top. Door number 7 is our last door. Oh, we have a blue one. We have 2 of every color so far, so we have one that's not the other colors for our last day, which is nice. So our last day is blue, and this is Very Berry. Very Berry is our last fragrance. So we got 7 good sized little bath bombs. Get your kid a bunch of these. They will love it. Might be a good way to get your kid into the bathtub when they don't like to go. I think these are fun. So $5, that's not bad at all. That's less than $1 a piece for these bath bombs. Really cool. Our next one is Smoke and Mirrors 12 Days of Christmas. So, and you can see the shapes of the doors. Might give us some clues of what's inside these. Again, both $5 a piece. Door number 1 is right here. I am going to use my little spoon. Door number 1 is a lip product, it looks like. It looks like a little gloss with a flower in the end of it. I don't know if you can see. It's a little gloss with a flower in it, clear gloss, and this is the Smoke and Mirrors Flower Lip Balm. So these might all be branded Smoke and Mirrors. That's cool. Second one is door number 2. These actually are not too hard to open. The perforations will let go pretty easily. Door number 3 is a tiny little squeezy tube. I see what it is, and I hope there's something that goes along with it. Okay, door number 2 is a little squeezy tube of eyelash glue. So if you wear false eyelashes, there's your glue. Well, the blue one was geared towards littles. This is definitely one that you can give to the older makeup beauty lovers in your life. So this is door number 3. It's this big round one here. It makes sense now. We got holiday lashes. I'm not going to pull these out. I can't get it out. But number 3 is those dramatic eyelashes. Those are long lashes. So if you need a glammy evening out for your holidays, that's got you covered. Door number 4. Oh, cute. Door number 4 is a little nail polish. Door number 4 is that little pretty nail polish. This is obviously a mini, but is a little pink sparkly nail polish. Door number 5 is teensy. I can't imagine what is in there. It's the size of my finger. Oh, okay. Door number 5 is a sharpener. Door number 5 is that cute little sharpener. If you have sharpenables in your makeup routine, that will help you out. Next one we have is number 6. I wonder if it's a sharpenable pencil. Nope. Door number 6 is this nail file. So this is one of those spongy metal double-sided nail files, and it says Smoke and Mirrors on it. All right, we are up to door number 7, long skinny drawer. And let's get that one off. Door number 7 is a pink lip liner, a very pink lip liner, and that's what you can use your sharpener for. So it's nice that they give you stuff to use and then stuff to use it with, so that's pretty cool. We are to door number 8. 8 is another skinny door. Oh, this is nice. Door number 8 is the lip gloss that matches the lip liner, that matches the nail polish. So you have, I see they have a pattern here. This is pretty cool. Door number 9. Door number 9 is a little mini beauty sponge. And I do like the flat-sided ones. I haven't had a teeny one like this before. I've had smaller ones like this and I threw them away because I don't like little bitty ones. This looks like a fairly decent size to use. It's not perfect. It's got dents in it. That might just be from the packaging, but it's just a little cheap beauty blender. Door number 10 is another skinny door. Door number 10 is a black eyeliner. And this is, again, something you can use your sharpener with. Just a cute little sharpenable. I don't really like sharpenables, but this is a $5 calendar, so I'm not going to gripe about it. Door number 11, we're getting down to our second to last day. Oh, this is cute. Door number 11 is our eyeshadows. These are super pretty. It comes with an applicator. This has, there's no mirror, but look at those pretty colors and look at that sparkly pink. This is a pink and mauve and a little bit of a taupey color. And I think this one's gold. So we have a gold sparkly and a hot pink sparkly. That's a nice little eyeshadow set. Let me see what it looks like. It is sparkly. The pink comes off, really cute. All right, middle door is our last door, so door number 12. Door number 12 is a cute puff, and it says Joy on the ribbon. So there you go. It says Joy on the ribbon, and it's just a soft puff. It has the little thing on the back so you can hold it to put it on. Use the pointy end, get under your eyes. So we got a whole makeup, a whole beauty routine. You've got your whole glam look. You've got your eyelashes, your nail polish, lip gloss, tinted lip gloss, lip liner, eyeliner, eyelash glue for your eyelashes. You got your nail file and your sharpener and this really cute eyeshadow set. So that was Smoke and Mirrors 12-day calendar from Five Below. Again, $5. That's not a terrible price at all. Even though it's not expensive makeup, it's not intended to be, it's $5. But that's a fun kit. The last one is actually not a makeup calendar, I misread it. It's also Smoke and Mirrors, but this is 12 days of spa. So this should give us 12 spa items, so bath, things like that, I'm hoping. Let's see what's inside here. Door number 6 is pushed in a little bit. That might have been my fault, I'm not sure. But we're going to start with door number 1. This one's easier. It has a place to push in and then pull the tab up. That's a lot better. Our first thing is vanilla sugar. And what is it though? It looks like bath salts. It is glued down. Okay, I got it out. This is bath salt. Now this is the tiniest little packet of bath salts, but if you just want to add a little bit of fragrance to your bath, you have a little couple tablespoons of vanilla salt. D number 2 is right below it. D number 2 is a bath bomb, and I hope it's not glued down too. It is. I'm going to have to take these out later after I get done because they are totally glued down. Door number 3. Door number 3 is a fragrance. This one came out. This is a Stir-In Berry Bliss, and this is a fragrance. Let's see what that smells like. Ooh, that's nice and fruity. It's a little alcohol-y, but that should wear off. But a cute little fragrance, just a teeny bit. Door number 4 is right here. Door number 4 is a lotion. And this says it's hyaluronic acid and rose face wash. So this is a face wash. I wonder if it smells like rose. Does a little bit, but a hyaluronic acid product in here, that's a good thing. I like that. Pretty neat deal. Okay, door number 5 is down here. Okay, we have another bath salt. Door number 5 is another bath salt. And I know from experience it's glued. I'm trying to get it open without tearing the packaging. When I say glued, I'm not even kidding. Look at that. It's still, I got to shoot the camera. Okay, so this one is Stir-In Berry Bliss salt. So this goes with that hyaluronic. Now I would probably put all these in one bath just because there's not very much, but if you want to put a little bit of one fragrance in, that's pretty nice too. All right, door number 6, we're going to see what actually is coming out of here. Ooh, okay, so these are reusable, I think. Well, no, I might be wrong. They look like the kind that you can refrigerate and reuse, but let's see. It is eye patches, and this says apply under eye, under clean skin, and peel. So these are one-use eye masks to, I'm assuming, help your eyes look better. It doesn't really say what it does, but they're cute. They're pink. All right, door number 7. Door number 7 is down here. Door number 7 looks like a body lotion. And this one is vanilla sugar. Really cute, probably a more ounce. It's sealed. I'm just going to leave it sealed. I might gift these to some kiddos I know, but this is a vanilla sugar lotion. Next, we are looking for door number 8, which is right here. We're getting close to the end. Ooh, this one looks, the doors are falling off on me. This one is a little bottle of oil, it looks like. We'll see what it actually is. This writing is too tiny. It is the Stir-In Berry Bliss. It almost looks like it says a retinol, but I can't imagine. But I'll read what that tiny print is and put it here on the screen as I'm editing. But a little bottle of something. We are on door number 9. Door number 9 is another squeezy tube of some kind. This one says it's collagen and vitamin C. So they've given us the skin regime here. So you can have your bath, do your facial, legit spa day. Really cool. All right, door number 10 is in the middle. Door number 10 looks to be a little loofah. It is a little loofah. It's a pretty little loofah. It's a very little loofah. But this is a little, if you want to have a little girl to give that to, or just need a little loofah in your life, you got one. Door number 11 is right above 10. Door number 11 is going to be another bath bomb, and it's going to be similar to door number 2. I will not be able to get it out without tearing the box up. All right, door number 12 is our very last day. Oh, a lip mask. Okay, so we got a lip mask. Again, this doesn't say, it says how to use it. Doesn't necessarily say what it does for you, but a lip mask should hydrate and moisten your lip area. Very nice. So that was our 12 days of spa. And we saw our 12 days of beauty and our 7 days of bath bombs from Bluey. This will give you an idea of what kind of advent calendars you can get from Five Below for $5. If you have some people in your life who just want a fun advent calendar and don't want to spend a lot of money, this is your best bet. I had a great time going through these boxes with you. I hope you did with me as well. Thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.